Ugh. Yo, E-Stock.
What's up, Brando?
What's going on in this car today? What do we got the hood down for? Up, down, up.
Up, down, all around.
All around. What's going on under here? What's the plan, bro?
So, we have been called out. Got a Trackhawk that wants to race this thing, and if you're not in California, then you don't know. But right now, it's 100+ degrees outside, and I have future plans for this car to go to Voodoo down south and have some work done.
And don't go too detail now.
All right.
Yeah,
So,
little teaser.
for the time being, and I'm gonna keep it after the other parts get put on, but for the time being, I need to keep her cool while we're running. So we bought,
What do you got it over here? We got some packages.
an intercooler water sprayer from Design Engineering Inc.
Here
So
we go.
we're gonna get some cooling on that intercooler. Watch us work.
Watch us work, baby. Let's make this thing cool, baby.
Or
Plans. We're talking plans.
got a plan here. So what's up? So the intercooler water sprayer is universal. So there's no instructions or anything to do it on this Explorer itself, but I just need to get to the intercooler, so we got to take all this shroud off here. How? We'll find out. Step by step, piece by piece. But my idea is to mount the intercooler, the reservoir, right in here. It's the only spot in the engine bay, but it should be perfect, honestly. So I'm gonna mount it right here, and that way be easy access to fill up, and we'll run our lines. And got a cool little switch button inside the cab that we'll be able to hit that sprayer when we're running the Trackhawk.
When we're flying. This is where the fun begins, folks.
Oh yeah.
But by the way, this is a brand new car.
Yep.
Okay, so no one's worked on this before.
No,
So
not
if you-
even Ford.
So if you Google a video how to take this plastic shielding off, you probably won't find one.
And if you do,
It's this one. That's where you found it. If you do, let us know, because by the time you see this video, we won't need to know anymore.
next up we were trying to see if we could get this whole front grille off by removing the headlight. That's not it. So we took out the 4 10mm bolts here on top of the grille, and then what we need to do next, so you can see under here, there's 9 7mm bolts. 1, 2 under here next in front of the mud flap, and then you have 5 more in here, and then 2 on the other side mud flap. Now after that, what we need to do is we got to take off these 7mm bolts here and these push pins inside here. Then we can take this inner fender well and pull it open, and that will reveal the bolts to pull off the front bumper. And then we got to just pull the plugs on the fog lights, and we should have access.
I want to make sure you all know I'm not sissy, because Evan's been doing all the work over here. My hands are nice and soft. There's not a single bit of dirt here.
Yeah,
He's got a little bit of dirt.
kind of always what my hands look like.
So it's my turn. It's my turn to get in here. E-Stock's over here taking off I don't even know what.
10mm bolt holding the fender to the bumper.
In case you're wondering, the process to get to the intercooler on this SUV is not as simple as removing this plastic and popping it off,
Right.
or taking this thing and pulling it out.
So
No. All right, what am I doing?
Okay.
Give me the tool. Move out of my way. Professional. I'm professional.
Up in here.
Oh yeah. I want you all to know that I am a hard worker. I got my hand deep in here. Look at the flex, the veins. Oh. Boom, baby.
But are they ready for this?
Oh.
Are you ready?
Bro, is it happening right now?
It's happening right now.
Dude, I'm ready. Oh, I'm nervous. Are the fog lights unplugged?
No.
I promise I did take that bolt out. Oh, baby. Did we just lose a bunch of plastic clips right now? Oh, right.
But all those.
Yeah, we gotta disconnect the lights. You want me to hold the bumper? There it is, folks. Bumper is off of the Explorer ST. I promise you this is the first video on YouTube of an Explorer ST bumper being taken off the front end. So, the greatest part of the whole thing is, where's the intercooler? Well, there's a whole nother layer of plastic. So,
And do we delete these? I think we do.
do we delete the flaps?
I think we do. 'Cause they
Unlimited
close.
airflow and power.
They close at high speeds.
They close at high speeds for aerodynamics to increase the MPGs.
Yeah.
Now, Evan, look at the camera and tell me, do you really care about MPGs?
Not at all, but I do care about SPGs. Miles per gallon.
Wow. I'm going to struggle to put that in the clip.
Oh. Alright.
Service announcement, what's it called? Public service announcement? PSA. There's a good chance that you do not have to do this much work to install a sprayer, but we're going to find out.
But the thing is I
We're
want to make
showing
sure
you
I get
guys.
it all installed, precise, and
Beautiful.
everything ran. The lines ran nice and clean.
So if you wonder what your 2020 Explorer ST looks like with no bumper, that's it. Or headlights, or fog lights, or front camera.
So
So we mounted it to this, I used to know what this is called because I always wanted one in my Maxima strut bar. There we go. There she is. Reservoir for the cold water. We're phoning a friend. We're FaceTiming a friend. Give me 2 minutes. You're pooping, aren't you?
wait.
The idea behind this is we found this kit. We installed this deal. It's got a wire, the blue being the ground, the red being the hot. And the kit says that we're supposed to attach the red, it's right here, this part right here. It says attach the red power lead wire to either side of the switch, meaning the button that goes in the car. Then attach the red power harness wire to the other switch terminal. We only have one wire, so that already doesn't make sense. And I think we're missing some components here. So we're kind of stuck. We do have some extra wire, because wire is just wire and it should work. But we're trying to figure out how this works. My thought process is one power goes to the button, one power from your battery goes to the button, connecting to the two leads on the button, and when you hit it, the button gives power to your pump. So now we're phoning a friend. You're famous on YouTube right now, Nate, because we're phoning a friend on how to fix a car.
Really?
Yeah. So, moment of truth, folks. We got some wires going here, down the fenders. We got liquid. Can't really see it, but there's liquid in there. He's gonna touch to the battery. He's gonna hold the sprayer. We're gonna set it up on the tripod here.
Hopefully this works.
Oh, why did that like work perfectly?
Nice. Hi guys.
It even has you on the video. All right, folks. Moment of truth. Is it ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes! Aim it out, bro.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Show it on the camera.
Yep. Yay! Look at the roof. Yes! Success! Hell yeah, dude.
Oh man.
Oh, does that make you happy or what?
Did it spray you in the face?
No,
Oh, man.
it's sprayed up here, see?
So we're back at it again, folks. Day 2 of the Intercooler spray kit.
Yeah.
As you guys saw from the first half of this video, we got it spraying, right?
Yes, we did.
And now we just gotta, first of all, we gotta connect the wire to the battery because we were just touching it to the battery. And then we gotta actually install the sprayer, these little guys. I'm gonna get it out from hooked around that thing. We actually have to install these behind this little oh, it's leaking a little water out right now. Gonna install it there and make it spray up into the intercooler. And then what else we have to do? Put all this stuff back on the car. And then we're gonna do some runs.
Do a little bit of data logging.
A little bit of data logging, so we can maybe fine tune the tune a little bit.
Yeah, squeeze some more power out of it.
Trackhawk, here we come, bro.
What?
What? This is from the factory, right here. This is a freaking zip tie. I cannot believe that's factory.
First spray with it mounted up. Go
ready?
for it. Oh yeah.
Good pattern?
Dude. Money.
So sick?
Money.
Oh, it's soaked.
Here.
I gotta experience it, bro. Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's sick, dude. We're freaking
I don't
geniuses.
think I need to move it at all.
Oh, I think it's good, dude. It's good. So you can zip tie all this down though, so it's not just hanging?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Let's go!
Let's go!
After 2 days, 4 hours each, she's back together. She's got a front bumper again. And the sprayers are inside, baby. We're ready for our run tomorrow against the Jeep Trackhawk. Let's see how it goes. Wish us luck.